right across your face, curtain barely breathing. I count the seconds in this place, pretend I'm not leaving. Your hand curled loose against the sheet, like it still trusts me. I memorize the way you sleep, in case you forget me. No slam doors, no goodbye scenes, just a quiet cut between what we were and what you're me. When I'm gone, will you think of me? Stupid times, the red lights or bad TV or offbeat rhymes. Will I live in the little things I never planned, like the space beside you in the bed, or my name still running through your head? My coffee ring still on the desk, I never wiped it. The chair pulled out a little left, like I might sit. That song I hum when dishes piled out, a bad habit. Will it still make you almost smile or just turn static? I won't explain, I won't be brave. I let the silence do what I couldn't say. When I'm gone, will you think of me when it rains? When you reach for half the bed and say my name, will I be a passing ache or something worse? Just a memory you shake off fast, or one you carry in your chest. Maybe you'll laugh at my bad dance moves, roll your eyes like you used to do. Maybe you'll hate me for leaving cold, for choosing quiet over growing old. I hope you find someone who stays, who doesn't vanish this way. Someone who loves you loud and right and never leaves you guessing at night. When I'm gone, will you think of me just a little? In the cracks of your routine, or the middle of a life you didn't plan, or a song you skipped. I don't need forever in your heart, just somewhere soft I once existed. Sunrise fills the empty room. You turn, but I'm already gone. If you ever feel me pass through, that's all I